Hello, I'm Linda. Look at this sample in my hand. It's a 3-piece combination, inserting rubber shells and sheathing. It is completed by our fully automatic machine. What's the speed of this machine?
About 1,400 horsepower.
What's the wire diameter range?
From 0.3 to 2.5 square.
For example, I have different colored wires. I want to insert it into the shell, or I want to plug the black wire into the third or fourth rubber housing. Would that be okay?
Sure, our machine supports 2 to 8 colors of wires, and then the shell can be programmed. For example, if you have more than 10 shells, they can be plugged in the same way.
Is there any limit to the type of this glue shell?
We generally recommend dedicated machines. There is no limit. For example, single row and double rows. Both single row and double row are okay.
Okay, let's take a look at our machine. We have 2 vibrating trays here. This is a sheathed vibrating disc. What's the usual size of the sheath?
It's usually 250. It can be replaced very convenient.
Okay, let me take a look at our vibrating plate. We are using a precision type vibrating plate. Does it just need to loosen the screw in the middle? It can be replaced.
Yes, take out the whole disc, and the base does not need to be replaced. So it's relatively very simple.
For this machine, because it has many processes, sometimes the customer may not need to insert the rubber shell. You can specialize in sheathing. One-end terminal crimping is also possible. We have 2 terminal machines. What's the tonnage?
Both are 2 tons. We are equipped with pressure detection. It's also dual channel.
Then our 2 terminal machines are variable frequency terminal machine. Here we can also add a CCD visual inspection. After the sheath is delivered, how do I put it into the tube?
When it is sent out, it's already put in. Then perform a crimping, and then push it in place.
Because we have 3 lines now, so we have equipped a self-developed 3-out-1 plastic wire rack. So what are the advantages of such a payoff frame?
You can adjust it according to your own wire. It will adaptively convey the wire, and then straighten it. These 3 groups of lines are transported according to the needs of the machine and then linked, and the feeding speed can be synchronized with the machine.
What is this mechanism?
This is a wire feeding mechanism. Then it conveys the wires according to different colors, and then crimp it.
We put on this sheath first. Look, this sheath is here, and it's a trumpet-shaped one. So after the wire is guided into the sheath, then the sheath will be pushed back, right?
After threading the sheath, we crimp the end, and then push it forward.
This whole panning structure, we all use servo motors, right?
Yes, translation, and the threading, and some cutting knife modules are all servo motors.
This is a cutting knife module. These 3 blades include front and rear threading, and the middle cutting.
Yes. This is a Japanese imported THK module.
Let's take a look. Because the precision of inserting the rubber shell is prone to failure, we use this Japanese THK to solve this problem of failure, which means it has higher accuracy. Here, this is the track. It will push forward automatically, right?
After inserting one, it will continue to push forward.
For this rubber shell, how to exclude scrap if it fails?
First, we have a visual inspection, and the terminals are intact. When inserting the shell, there will be a retraction action. There is a pullback test, and then it is determined to be qualified. It will be dropped. Otherwise, it will directly alarm and stop.
How many servo motors does this machine use?
We use about 10 sets of.
This is a PCB board that we wrote ourselves, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.